say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Happy Monday. And please provide the live broadcasting on televisions worldwide immediately. And I will get civil justice for entire human kingdom, all broken nations, in less than 1 minute. And then I also want to convey that I realized that there is a typo error for January word in earlier two videos, and I will that I posted, and I will upload it, and I will update it later. Okay, so let me continue with ongoing live testimony of civil justice process displaying scandal of Vatican Satan times. And to be in same page, I am providing excellent supreme civil justice to be served to entire human kingdom, entire animal kingdom, entire plant kingdom worldwide. So just celebrate being aware evil satanic forces will be gone without a trace in ashes. As of today, January 2021, there should never be any injustice of any variations or versions worldwide, and saddest reality injustices that then that is why civil justice must be served now, and I am providing excellent supreme civil justice to be signed off and closed without any delay. I only know what is justice and what is never justice. So I am born to save the world from evil forces, and that is why all nations, USA nations, all governments worldwide handcuffed by me is happiest mode as of today, as of now, as of this moment. Okay, and I am rock that is anchored in oceans, and be still and be known is the wisdom of education, that I am born to save the world. Okay, there should not be any disturbances when I'm providing complex task of providing civil justice sign off closure process. I don't know about my peers worldwide. I have blood cells colored as red, right? So I do not like injustice. Okay, and I am not ashamed to say loudest I do not like injustice. Then this testimony is about deadliest crime of Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis created, Roman Egypt Empire, crucifixion, shame, logo process, model mandate, classification type, Pope Francis, Satan created, domestic violence type of discrimination type, worldwide in different versions and variations across the globe to mandate, enforce torture, innocent civilians, human brains worldwide, and it is all created for tax mandate process. So it is a type of deadliest Republica. Pope Francis Satan created code of abuse law process model is a proof of deadliest Holocaust Nazism classification worldwide as one of the gateway pathway to enforce tax hell mandate in all nations across the globe with fatal human negligence. Like Pope Francis can come and say, see, populations are discriminating each other, nations are discriminating each other, employment workflows is discriminating each other, pay tax, like that. Okay, so they are so cunning and so evil that they want to create each and every single pathway to build on a tax mandate process. Okay, so that is the deadliest crime of Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist. Okay, and he must immediately get out of the earth now. Okay, that is the wisdom. So task for you all to work on is what is domestic violence? Why there is domestic violence in all nations as of today in January 2021? What is the gain? What is the profit? What is the budget expense to get trained to be proudest to be domestic violent when it is a foolish disease, leprosy disease classification? What is the scope and objective to be domestic violent? There should be some scope, right? So what is the scope? And does all nations have any job, workforce, labor force union have any job code for domestic violence service providers job? Yet, yeah, as of now, as of today, if there is a job code, what is a job code and what is the salary that is defined in the Department of Workforce, Labor Force, Labor Union in United States of America? If there is no job code and no salary, why there is that domestic violence service providers in United States of America and in all nations worldwide as of today? Okay, please work on those questions and get the answers correctly. I know all the answers correctly. Okay, so I am just giving you all a task to work on. Then what is the happiest process when you all are infected with the foolish leprosy domestic violence disease? Did you all like that happiness at all? If you all like that happiness when you all are infected, being proudest with leprosy disease called domestic violence, how do you how do you rate your happiness in a scale of 1 to 10? Okay, then why foolish leprosy domestic violent patients populations are happy when being domestic violent? Okay, so then final, and after answering all these questions or working on getting these questions, please do not discuss with anybody. Okay, I want each individual to get the answers correctly. Okay, because you all have your brains and hearts, right, given by God, so you work on the answers. Why do you want to even discuss with your peers to get the correct answers? You all will get the correct answers, so work on those. Okay, and then finally answer, do you all know domestic violence is the deadliest foolish disease infection, same as a leprosy disease, because human nerve is numbed and inhuman nerve only is activated because when civilians infected with foolish infection, the subcategory of foolish disease is only domestic violence leprosy disease, and symptoms and telltale signs of leprosy disease of type domestic violence is when civilians infected with leprosy disease of type domestic violence, eyes of the civilians get blinded forever. Okay, and that is why the foolish disease is a very highest severity chronic disease for civilians. It is, I would say, it is that disease is absolutely endangerment to the human kingdom because it will destroy the total peace and total harmony, and it will create a havoc. It will create a total disaster for the entire human kingdom. So that is why that domestic violence disease is a very chronic disease, and it is a type of leprosy disease. So you all should know for birthright what is a domestic violence disease and why domestic violence disease is a type of leprosy disease. Okay, so when infected with leprosy disease of the type domestic violence, eyes of civilians get blinded forever, and there is never cure for when civilians get infected with foolish disease is because human nerves get chopped. Okay, and inhumane nerves only get activated. Okay, so from where it gets activated from the hate database on your brains. Okay, and the hate database on your brains, when this inhumane nerves get activated, it only generates unhealthy hate process types. Okay, unhealthy process types are in a easier way, in one way it's called as an abuse. So that means the entire human operation gets destroyed. It gets malfunctioned, right? It gets disabled, right? So what is disabled means when a civilian is not able to love cleanest, or when a civilian is creating hell for fellow mankind. Those are all the disabilities, right? Because healthy operation is humans love clean. Humans never knows to hurt fellow mankind. Those are the healthy human operations, because we are created by God, and God created humans in the image of God, and that is why humans are holy, 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 and that is why humans are God's masterpiece, right? Because we as a human knows only to love clean. We human don't know how to hurt fellow mankind. So that is the wisdom you all need to know for a birthright. Okay, so only God in God's labor alone can cure. Only God can cure and provide divine healing to domestic violence, leprosy, foolish infected population worldwide. Okay, so there is no cure. So that is why it's as a preventative measures. It is best for civilians to be always wisest. Okay, just do not be fool. That's all I can tell. And once when you are full, the eyes gets blinded. You all should know that. And that blinded eyes nobody can cure. Doctors cannot cure, judges cannot cure, governments cannot cure, your family cannot cure, your friends cannot cure, your colleagues at workplace cannot cure. God only can cure. Okay, so that is the severity of the foolish disease. Just do not get infected with the foolish disease is the best preventative measures. Okay, otherwise what happens is once after getting infected with foolish disease, nobody can help, right? So then we all have to wait for the God's labor to provide the divine healing for the foolish infected leprosy patients populations worldwide. Okay, so there are the different layers of awareness, different layers of birthrights you all need to know. So you all know today that as of today, nation should not have any domestic violence of any form, and still it is there, and that is a pathetic condition, and it's also a bullet fireproof that how Satan Pope Francis destroyed entire human world by destroying the human brain nerves, and it is the deadliest crime, and medical compensation, finance compensation must be paid. Okay, that is why I'm providing the civil justice in a layer by layer process in a very user friendly way. Okay, and it is a team process, and that is why I am asking just provide my testimony live broadcast on televisions worldwide, because the foolish USA nation cannot understand my wisdom. Okay, so there needs to be someone to step in and educate the foolish nation United States of America, and I'm doing that job. Okay, and I will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in less than 1 minute. Only 1 minute is needed for me to get sign of the civil justice, because I have all the proofs. Okay, so um, so so what is more awareness? Love is a database in civilians human brain. Okay, you all have brain, right? In your skull only there's a brain located, and that brain have love database and also hate database. Okay, you all needs to know that how it works. Okay, so the love database always provides only healthy processing of human operations, healthy anger, healthy hate, healthy wellness, human wellness, healthy humanity process, like that. Versus the hate database, um, it triggers, it activates the unhealthy hate, unhealthy anger, all the unhealthy operations are triggered and activated by your hate database. So yes, humans cannot see those database, but I am just providing an simpler, easier education on how to understand your brain operations. Okay, then second of all, foolish disease is a umbrella of disease classification. So okay, when you are telling a disease, the foolish disease is an umbrella, and that means umbrella means it is the highest level of the disease, and all the other diseases comes under it. Okay, so how to tell that in an easier way? I could say, hey, if you are holding an umbrella when it is raining, it is covering that, it is more of a like a temporary shelter kind of a thing, right? So that you can walk on the road having using your umbrella and not getting wet when it is raining, right? So, and in other sense, in other it's the same way, instead of telling this disease, that disease, this disease, I can say, hey, all these disease, whatever the 100% of diseases available, it all comes under one umbrella called foolish disease. Okay, and just be aware that foolish disease in earth as of now all created by Satan forces, Pope Francis Satan. Okay, and that is why he should get out immediately, and he should not be even living in the earth. Okay, so that is why I'm telling foolish disease is an umbrella disease. Okay, so foolish disease is an umbrella of disease classification and subcategory of the leprosy disease type, domestic violence, and then another sub classification of that disease is only leprosy domestic violence type slavery, leprosy domestic violence type hatred, and leprosy domestic violence type discrimination. Got it? So it all comes under layer by layer. So that way it is easier to provide a solution for, because these diseases are not created by humans. Okay, as I told you, we humans are born only to love, only clean. We humans do not know how to hurt fellow mankind. That is the truth. That is a wisdom, right? But how then there are abusive patients, and who created these? All traces to Pope Francis. So as of today, who is leprosy patient after all? Who is the true leprosy patient? It is Pope Francis the Satan. Queen of England Elizabeth II is an absolutely highest level of infected leprosy patient. She should not be even living in the human kingdom, because the moment she is living, that leprosy disease will spread like a cancer. Do you all need, does human population need that kind of a disease? No, right? Because we all want to live healthy. We all want to also want to live in harmony. We all want to live in peace that passes understanding. We want to share our love to all the fellow mankind, right? So that is a healthy way of living. So why these absolute monarch Satans destroyed all that? All for tax process. Why tax process? All for fanatic love of crown. And that is why they created an organized, legalized, organized crime process model called crime law. Okay, and again there is a public awareness is there should not be any criminal law in any of the nations, and sadly that was also created by Queen of England Elizabeth II Satan and Pope Francis. It's all because they all want to live free, right? They all want to make the crime itself is illegal. So they want to say, hey, slavery is legal, so who cares? Oh, please do not ask me any questions like that, right? Or, hey, discrimination is legalized. You can still go and discriminate fellow mankind, and then with hatred process services, you can kill each other. So that it's legal. Who tells it's illegal like that? Why? Because the criminal law and the handbook is given by Pope Francis and France leader Satans, the cunning nation in entire, to USA to educate that, hey, USA, make all the crimes legal. That way, nobody can ask any questions. Okay, and nobody will ask any questions to the absolute monarchs, because they have the absolute divine rights of God title, like the perfect God, perfect holy highness, and they jumped from heaven directly, so they are very perfect, and they can destroy the whole nation operations. Nobody can ask them any questions, and if anybody stands and asks them any question, they will be killed abruptly on the spot by the absolute monarchs. So these are all created in an organized, systematic, legalized way to make crime look legal, right? To look discrimination legal, to look slavery legal, to look hatred legal, to look domestic violence legal means. Do you all know why USA is an absolute foolish nation as of today? There is that statue called Statue of Liberty, right? And it was given by France. Do you all know France is the one deadliest cunning and Islam, Judaism, and communism nation in earth? It's an absolutely paganist nation in earth. Do you all know? So United States of America never knew that France is a deadliest Islam, Judaism, communism nation. That's how the cunning nature, and that is how they fool the Islam, Judaism leaders. They fool any nations with blinded eyes and with deadliest cunning process model. So when you look, that Statue of Liberty says, oh no, the Statue of Liberty is a justice lady and will provide only justice. So that is why we the France gave that statue to United States of America. So for how long the United States of America have been fooled by that illusion? Past 500 years past, right? So tell me, when that Statue of Liberty is a justice lady, as quoted by France to fool United States of America. As of today, there should not be any domestic violence, right? There should not be any hatred. There should not be any slavery, and there should not be any kind of disturbances and hell, right? So that means there is a proof that France is an absolutely a cunning and deadliest nation, venomous nation. They can do anything to destroy the nation just for the fanatic love of crown. And don't worry, I am going to get the civil justice for destroyed United States of America nation. Whoever destroyed any nation in earth, they are going to pay the price. They cannot escape the wrath of God of true Christianity. Got it? For how long the humans, the cunning absolute monarchs can be fooling nations and governments worldwide? Governments are become a puppets to Pope Francis. They fear only Pope Francis, because if they're going to ask, if United States of government is going to ask a question to Pope, they'll get killed. And everybody is in a survival mode. They want to live, it's okay kind of mode. Okay, like when you're in a Rome, be a Roman, like that kind of an illusion mode. But I would say be always human in Roman Empire. Teach the Roman Empire how to be humans. See, that is the wisest way, right? When people are fool, slap the foolish people. Educate them to be wisest. That is a healthy process. Okay, that is what I'm providing. I do not like fools, right? But what is the saddest reality? All nations allowed foolish people to live, and the foolish people, they can only create hell for fellow mankind. And who are the sufferers at the end of the day? Only wisest are sufferers, right? And they are helpless also, because government is broken, government cannot help, and population are foolish, they are having blinded eyes, they cannot understand why the wisest are suffering in the hands of foolish. So can you see the distractions provided by enforcement? Okay, so Statue of Liberty in United States as of today must be taken down immediately. That is the wisest choice USA government can do immediate. Why? Do you all know why? Because in Statue of Liberty, there is the hand and the everything, right? In this hand, it is written, slavery is mandate in USA. Meaning, it provides, it explicitly, directly tells that United States of America is one slave nation and it is a prison. So whoever comes inside the United States of America will be slaves forever. So don't you all think that we need to get civil justice right now? And I own USA, okay? So USA government cannot keep on joking and keep on providing illusion after illusion, being cunning like that. I will ask United States of America, who gave authority to get the Statue of Liberty from the cunning communist Islam Judaism nation France? Please pay $500,000 trillion to me right now. I will ask, because I own USA. There should never be Statue of Liberty, paganist statue in the United States of America as of today. And who is going to pay for all the labor for destruction process? I would say, as a nation, as an true owner of USA, I would slap France nation, and I will ask the France nation to take all the Statue of Liberty back to the France. And that is the civil justice, okay? It is a Statue of Liberty is an illusion. So can you all understand how the eyes gets blinded with illusion part? Yes, we all have human eyes, right? The God-given eyes. But then how that cunning France fooled United States of America? Oh, this is a justice lady. Just have this statue, and that way all the justice can be provided, because be aware, each justice handbook of law is given by only France and Pope Francis and Sicily Archbishop to USA. See, there is a proof of all the scandals I traced up. Everybody, all the absolute monarchs are handcuffed by me. Got it? They cannot move here or there, they cannot move left or right. They all handcuffed, and I thrown all the absolute monarchs in center of all the nations. That way, all the nations, all the governments, entire human kingdom is watching, is seeing who are the true health creators, right? Then United States of America is going to throw all the absolute monarch satans in the volcano in Hawaii. That is down the road. It's going to happen, right? But the first task is Pope Francis should resign immediately, effective now. Got it? So there is a systematic, organized way of scandal. Okay, so Statue of Liberty is a scandal, right? Then what more is a scandal? All the amendments in the United States of America, it's all wrong, absolutely wrong. So can you all imagine the Senate, the Congress, the all the government professionals, and the entire president's world in the United States, in the entire president's life cycle, all have been fooling population for long. For how long the fooling has been going on? 500 years plus years fooling has been going on, right? So the innocent civilians are thinking, oh, all the amendments is good, very healthy, but it's wrong, absolutely wrong. It's another 500,000 trillion scandal. Absolutely, USA government must pay finance compensation for providing wrong amendments of United States of America, and also damage innocent 300 plus population of human brain nerves with illusion. That is wrong, right? That is absolutely wrong. When it tells taxes mandate, slavery is mandate, all people entering into United States of America will be slaves forever, versus the Europeans only get to be the free citizens of United States of America, that is wrong. The France is the one cunning nation in the earth, and the France nation got the wrath and all the curses of Pope Francis, and got all the wrath of God. Okay, just be aware, France nation is handcuffed mode, got it, and cannot escape judgment day, judgment process that I'm providing. Meaning, France cannot come and apologize to me. I will say, get out of the earth. Who gave authority to destroy innocent United States of America? That is what I will ask. So whoever destroyed USA nation, I know, and I will call out by name, and United States of America is going to provide the death penalty for whoever destroyed USA nation and all the nations worldwide. Okay, got it? So leprosy domestic, so there are different layers of leprosy disease, right? So leprosy domestic violence is slavery is a disease. Then leprosy domestic hatred is a disease, and leprosy domestic discrimination is also disease. But what is the umbrella? Umbrella is a foolish disease. Okay, so in this, then you all need to know more awareness. Okay, in a disease life cycle, I educated wisdom of awareness that always only disease creators is at fault and never innocent. Okay, so in a healthy example, life proof is France nation is at fault. Okay, and they are never innocent. Okay, so that means they are disqualified to live in earth. The France leader, who is a co-prince of Andorra and Spain, he is disqualified to live in the earth. He cannot even give any kind of excuse on why on the earth France gave Statue of Liberty, the shame logo, the crucifixion logo, the hell mandate, the tax mandate, the slavery mandate, every unhealthy mandate statue to innocent United States of America, to destroy every single operations of United States of America. France cannot give me any excuse on that. I will say, just get out of the earth now. I will take care of the population of the France as my own family. That's what I will say to the France leader. I will say, first get out. You don't even have, there's no need for explanation. Just get out of the earth. That is what I will say to the cunning, super cunning nation France leader. Right? So in a disease life cycle, disease creators are the leprosy, foolish patients, and at fault and never innocent and disqualified to live in earth. Okay, so who in the kingdom belongs to disease creators world population? If we are in same page, yes, it is all what you're thinking. It is absolute monarch Satan, Pope Francis, the Antichrist, disease creator, the hell creator, the tax mandate creator, the slavery creator, the discrimination creator, the hatred creator, and Queen of England Elizabeth II, the disease creator, and for created deadliest crime, leprosy, foolish, deadliest, called as domestic violence creator. Then Pope Francis and faces of Pope Francis lost the eligibility to live in earth and must never be living in earth as of today. Got it? So Islam leaders cannot say, oh no, we always been telling only peace wars like Islam Gaza war, Israel Gaza wars or the Gulf wars like that. And we always say, hey, Assalamu alaikum, meaning peace be with you. And only then we provide all the wars worldwide to kill each other, each innocent humans to me. No, I will say, please get out. Just get out of the earth now, get out in the volcano, and if possible you can say Assalamu alaikum in the volcano, or Pope Francis can say rosary, Hail Holy Queen, Hail Mary Queen, or whatever in the volcano, and Queen of Elizabeth can say, see, I am having lot of different types of crowns by stealing crowns from the rightful that belongs, like that in the volcano. And France can say, see, I gave the Justice Lady only as a Statue of Liberty to United States of America. Please forgive me, like that in the volcano, right? Because they destroyed all the nations. So how on the earth there's no shame? There's no shame, right? Because the foolish people are blinded with eyes. They are very dangerous to the humankind. Absolute monarchs are very dangerous to the humankind. So then comes in the disease life cycle, there's a disease creators, right? So you all know who are the disease creators population. It is absolute monarchs, the Satans. Okay, so they are disqualified to live in the earth because they are the ones who created all the any or all the 100% diseases available as of now in all nations as of today. Okay, it is all, each disease is $1 trillion worth of disease. So why do they even bother to create all those diseases? All for tax mandate, slavery for tax mandate, discrimination for tax mandate. That is just insane, right? And all for what? All for fanatic love of crown. They just cannot imagine the life without having the crown on their head. They will die. Queen of England Elizabeth II will die the moment United States of America is going to remove the Kohinoor crown that rightfully belongs to me out of heart attack, right? Because that is the nature of the cunning people. They always enjoy sufferings of fellow mankind. So civil justice must be provided now. Okay, and who are the second level of the population in the disease life cycle? So the second layer of the population are called as, addressed as abusive patients, right? Abusive populations. So abusive population means they will hurt fellow mankind. It can be a mocking services, or it can be bullying services, or it can be mocking any disabled services, just like that, with blinded eyes. And they will not have any kind of humanity, and they cannot even think right because they are foolish, right? So they are addressed as abusive patients. In other words, they are foolish, leprosy, disease infected, abusive patients populations category worldwide. Okay, so can you all see the layer of leprosy disease and how it is all created only by the Satan's, Pope Francis, the Satan? Got it? God, you all should be educated right now that why Pope Francis should just get out of the earth now immediate, right? Because see, can you see, why would even he bother to create an abusive patients worldwide? So humans basically don't know how to hurt fellow mankind is a wisdom, right? So there needs to be a training to be provided. Okay, go hurt fellow mankind. Okay, go kill fellow mankind. Okay, go enslave fellow mankind. Okay, provide hate services to mankind. Okay, go discriminate fellow mankind. So these are the trainings that needs to be provided, right? Like on the job training mode and the workforce, they have to be trained. So even if the civilians get wrong on how to provide discrimination, etc., this training services provided by Pope Francis is so meticulously created as a satanic hell creating process model, right? So this innocent civilians with blinded eyes will think, oh, okay, discriminating fellow mankind is that good? Okay, why can't I discriminate? Why can't we discriminate like that? So that is the process of damaging human brain nerves in a cunning way without any awareness of the population. Right. So as of today, if you go to the worldwide, all nations, not even one educated man, not even one educated woman knows what is hate, what is domestic violence, what is leprosy disease, what is discrimination disease. These are all the pathetic state proof that how the governments has been broken because only because the population did not get any public awareness of any of the diseases. It was all a scandal process scheme provided by Pope Francis, the deadliest Satan in the earth. It is a Ponzi scheme, right? You all must be aware of it. There are so many other people who are handcuffed and in jail already for fooling population with the finance fraud, right? So there are different categories, and I can fix those hell process also. It's all created only for tax, nothing else. Okay, so these abusive patients populations are also what? They are also foolish leprosy patients who became patients only because of Pope Francis Lucifer's in disease creating life cycle. Okay, so he injected toxin. See, population, the Pope Francis, the Satan, he injected toxins to the innocent civilians worldwide. In other words, he chewed the God created brains of fellow mankind and he override the brains of God created brain with Pope Francis overwritten brain. Got it on how the database of your brains have been destroyed when you all infected with the foolish thing? I hope you all got educated correctly because I am explaining in a very user friendly, very layman way. Okay, in a very so that anybody can get educated. You all don't need to be educated, even non educated population also will get educated correctly. Okay, so the abusive leprosy patients became patients only because of Pope Francis Lucifer in disease creating life cycle, right? So that is why entire abusive leprosy domestic violence infected patient population are innocent. Okay, double quotes, innocent, always, forever, and at fault. Why at fault? That at fault part is their brains have been destroyed by Pope Francis. So they will never ever know what kind of a disaster they are creating to the fellow mankind. Right? So for example, when a civilian mocks another fellow mankind for either body shaming or for being unemployed or being physically challenged, right? So then that means they never know what the other people disabled people are undergoing through as of pain with the exponentially increased pain and agony, right? So that is that innocent part, and at fault part is without awareness only they are also the abusive patients are also creating the hell. However, when they are creating the hell or a disaster for innocent civilians, they become victims of abuse. And why would the innocent population needs to be disabled all of a sudden, all of abruptly? That is wrong, right? All humans are healthy because God created humans healthy. Why would civilians even bother to create the disability for a fellow mankind just like that abruptly? That is wrong. And what happens as because of that? Lifetime scars are also created for the innocent civilians, right? So the innocent are punished because innocent. Then they become patients, right? Because they are getting disabled all of a sudden. And what extra bonus they get for the in the entire disease, they get scars. Okay, so innocent population are the victims of abuse population. They are the third category of the population in the disease life cycle. Okay, so they become disabled for no reason. For being only innocent, they become disabled. And in the disease life cycle, always it is easiest to exploit and create disability only for innocent people, because innocent people are always having cleanest heart, and they are always having naive heart. Naive is another word for innocence. Okay, I will say innocence. So innocence heart, or virgin heart is virgin. These are all the other words for innocent. Okay, virgin means innocent, naive means innocent, clean heart means innocent. So all these comes under the umbrella of innocent. Okay, so I will use innocent word for that. Okay, to be on the same page. So because all the other words, that also created illusion, and that also created a lot of confusion to the worldwide, and because of that alone, so many hell have been created in variations, and all for tax only, and all created by Pope Francis. So that needs to be fixed now. Pope Francis should get out of the earth now. Okay, and he should not be even living in the earth. Okay, there is no excuse for providing deadliest domestic violence in earth. Okay, so so got it. So in disease life cycle, okay, I also want to tell you that this testimony will take more time. I would say close to an hour or so, because I'm explaining the importance of the root cause of the disease itself. So that way, one side I'm providing civil justice, one side I'm displaying the errors, one side I'm fixing the errors, one side I'm eradicating the errors, one side I'm also providing wisdom pathways, and I am slapping on the foolish people, and I'm also educating and helping and guiding as a true friend and a guardian angel all the foolish people to walk on the wisdom ways. So I'm doing a multitasking. So this testimony will take little bit time, so be patient on that as well. The following testimony videos will be lesser. Okay, so that is the we all must need to be on same page on that. So that is why I'm not rushing. I'm just going slowly and explaining everything in a crystal clear manner. Okay, so you all need to know, for a public awareness in a disease life cycle, there is a disease creator, then there is an abusive patients became became patients abusive only because of the disease creator, Pope Francis the Satan. And then the third category are the innocent population who becomes victims of the abuse, and they get disabled abruptly all of a sudden. Okay, and that is a brain shock. And some people can handle it, some people cannot handle it, right? And so that is why the severity of the foolish disease is very dangerous. And then the third category, the innocent population, also gets lifetime scars, right? See, once when human civilians are healthy enough, okay, then they are okay, right? But then what if they get disabled all of a sudden abruptly, lifetime, with the lifetime scars? They get what? Shame, right? Why shame? The educated population will not know how this innocent population got all the scars and everything. So without having any human process model of their brain, with foolish disease, even the educated population are also disabled, leprosy infected population. That is what I'm trying to tell. So in a disease life cycle, there is a three categorized population, right? And then there is another sublayer of the population who are called as the educated population with blinded eyes. They provide mocking, bullying services to the either abusive patients population or victims of abuse population, without knowing Pope Francis Satan only created all the havoc, all the hell. So who exactly the population should be mocking or bullying, if at all the population loves to mock and bullying? Only absolute monarchs. Got it? So doctors should mock and bully who? Only absolute monarchs, not the abusive patients or not the victims of abuse patients. Supreme judges worldwide should mock who? Absolute monarchs. Pope Francis the Satanist. Never they should even think in a dream to mock abusive patients populations or the victims of abuse populations. So that is the wisdom you all need to know. Okay, and I'm proving that the United States of America do not have any medical services, do not have any judges services, and I am the only one civil doctor as of now in entire earth. Got it? And I only can fix all the diseases and I can eradicate all the diseases in earth. And I am the only one chief supreme civil judge who can get civil justice for entire human kingdom in less than 1 minute. Write it down on your notes. Less than 1 minute. That means 59 60 seconds. I can get the civil justice signed off closure for entire human kingdom because I have all the bulletproof. USA government is handcuffed mode and cannot fool population anymore. It is broken in pieces. Got it? So that means President Trump will thank me and President-elect Joe Biden will thank me infinite later. Because without fixing whatever I am saying to fix, the government should not even dare to operate. Because why I am saying that is also for wisdom only. If I am going to file a lawsuit against the government one more time, it is the 2 times the government should pay the penalty compensation in dollars for entire human kingdom. Does United States of America nation even need that? I don't think so. Because already governments is collapsed, already each government agencies is handcuffed by me, right? President Trump is handcuffed, President-elect Joe Biden is handcuffed. So do they want even more finance penalty to be loaded for in the justice services? I don't think so, right? So all I'm saying, just fix it. Just fix whatever broken now. Let everything be taken care of later. It is easy because the root cause of all the errors process has been identified. That is the good news. That is the good news. For me, the civilians, you be either Republican or a Democrat, for me, human is human. That is all. But at the end of the day, you are human. Are you being human always? That is all is my concern to provide to sign of civil justice. Right? So, time and time again, I've been proving there are no leaders yet in United States of America. President Trump is not never a leader. He proved it. And President Joe-elect Biden is also proving every single day he's not a leader. So, United States of America, what can United States of America can do now? I am the true owner of USA. I am the native Indian tribe. I do not need any voting, and without any voting only I should be the leader of USA. Abruptly is the wisdom. That is the wisest choice USA can do right now. I can provide all the USA government organization structures to be rewritten from the scratch. I can do that, and it is not going to take long time. I would say just 30 days. Give me 30 days. I will fix everything and I can reorganize the entire USA or government operations structure. So there is a generation gap as well, right? So when you are going to see in the USA government population, each single population, be it Senate or Congress or Speaker or also speakers, they all get lifetime jobs. That is wrong. That is absolutely injustice, foolishness. And they get hired in the government services at 19 years, and they, even in the coffin, even after the death, they will get the highest level of the national benefits free. That is all the total scandal. Eating all the rightful dollars that belongs to the civilians. And what all the governments say? Oh, see, I am Senate. See, I am a House of Representative. See, I am President of America. See, I am Vice President of America. See, I am Governor. See, I am Mayor. It's all for namesake. Got it? Because they are going to get the paycheck daily delivered even after coffin. It's like lifetime job for them. Supreme Judge and Supreme Civil Court Circuit judges, they all are getting lifetime jobs. Once they are hired, that is it. Only when they die, other people will get. That is wrong. Absolutely wrong. And uh, you all know that USA is handcuffed mode, right? So because USA is handcuffed mode, elections 2020 is invalid, right? And it is disqualified. And the President-elect Joe Biden should accept that reality. When when a nation is in a handcuffed mode, elections is invalid. Why nobody knows that? And Joe Biden, President-elect Joe Biden, is a lawyer, so he should be aware of that rule, right? In the law process, when a nation is in handcuffed mode, a nation's elections is invalid. Period. That's all. Simple as civil justice is signed off. So, why the educated population are blinded? Why? All the root cause traces only to Pope Francis the Satan. And without knowing any awareness, only all USA nation populations worldwide, they are worshipping a deadliest criminal, Pope Francis Satan, as a god. That is wrong. That needs to be fixed. That error, human error, needs to be fixed. Okay, so I hope my wisdom education of awareness on deadliest chronic disease called foolish leprosy disease, domestic violence, slavery, hatred, discrimination. So saddest reality, as of January 2021, not even one educated man, educated women in entire human kingdom knows or aware what is domestic violence, leprosy disease. It is harshest reality, and I again proved with proof why USA nation do not have any judges yet, and do not have medical providers yet, and do not have teachers yet, and it is saddest reality. That is why I alone can fix broken USA operations and all nations operations worldwide. So wisdom is you, me, I, she, he, they, them, we, us in we humans are created by God from dust and born to only love cleanest, never knows to hurt fellow mankind. So how then the abusive patients populations created worldwide to create hell for mankind in different health services provided process model worldwide daily to torture fellow mankind by destroying the human brain nerve cells with injustice after injustice, hell after hell. Don't you all think the civil justice must be served? Okay, so the answer for that is the root cause for all health types, the crucifixion types, is the shame logo types is traces only to Vatican leader, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, the Satan, the hell creator, only Pope Francis and phases of Pope Francis called absolute monarch, satanic organization, and why USA never know, nation never know or knew scandal of Vatican. Sadly, United States of America is built only by Pope Francis, the Satan teams, the Antichrist teams. That is why there is deadliest, venomous, poisonous, cunning, satanic Roman Empire Jesuits provinces across the 50 states of USA, and USA slave and then enslave the USA government to be just puppets to Pope Francis the Satan. And that is why USA nation fears one word for Jesuits leader Pope Francis. And yes, sadly, USA nation is in absolute slave nation to Pope Francis, and they are the puppets to Pope Francis, and they fear Pope Francis because Pope Francis kills any civilian stands and asks questions on why on the earth Pope Francis created hell. He will say, kill. So at the cost of death only, I am providing all the root cause of the hell. Okay. Now, so I will get justice, civil justice for all nations, and be patient, okay, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, it is toughest for civilians to handle all the injustice in different variations when nations worldwide are undergoing through a lot of crisis, because government operations is broken in pieces. Governments just cannot help population, period. So population is wondering why government is not helping, and governments on the other end, they are choked up because the government operations is just broken in pieces. They cannot tell because of a shame, right? then the civilians will ask, okay, for why on the earth there is a government in USA? Why on the earth there is a law in USA? Why can't the USA nation be a lawless nation? At least that way, all humans can live free with lawless nation, right? So there is a scandal that is going on, and that needs to be fixed. That is what I'm trying to tell. The election must be absolutely a happy festival process that needs to be celebrated, right? But then in United States of America alone, it is a hell process. The civilians should not be even complaining. See, we are not able to vote. See, I'm not voting. See, I do not like Republicans. See, I do not like them. That's not how the election service is to be. It is the holiest process of the government processing, right? So when everything is broken, the elections 2020 of United States is broken. It is invalid. It is disqualified. That is the wisdom. So when everything is broken, nobody can fix it, nobody can identify what is the root cause. I am explaining everything, and I am the native Indian tribe. I am the true owner of USA. I only should be leading the USA right now, right? So first eligibility is I am native Indian tribe, so I do not need any voting. Second, the government is divided beyond repair, broken pieces, no leaders. President Trump is not leader proved, and President-elect Joe Biden is not a leader, is also proving. So when in all this chaos, what is the wisest choice USA nation can do right now to save the humanity, to save entire human kingdom? Just sign off job I asked for. I should be the interim leader. I'm saying interim leader for a reason. I see for the next 5 years, the population of USA should live with interim leader I am, and that I am only. Okay, and I'm giving that 5 year plan for a highest level budget planning process. I would finish the design solutions less than a year. Okay, because I have all the patented design in my head, in my brain, and everybody knows that. I will explain that part later. So that is why it is very important that United States of America signs of job offer immediately to me. Just give me the authority to be above absolute monarchs, and I should be the Supreme Chief Judge, and I should be the global medical service provider, public mental health service provider, medical chief director for all nations worldwide. So that way I can guide what the medical services should do, and what the government should do, and what the justice services should do. And I would even educate what the education services should do, what the military services should do, because every single government operation is broken in pieces. That is why United States of America is choked up. Okay? So just by wearing the mask of COVID-19, no, all these kind of will not be, just do not fool the population anymore, is what I want to convey to USA nation in disciplining process. Okay, just stop fooling population anymore. Just stop it. Then any nation, all nations and USA nations as of January 2021 must never have any domestic violence of type discrimination of any type and versions and variations. And Pope Francis, Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, Republica Jesuits mandate enforce domestic violence discrimination types for tax mandate health process code of abuse law of Vatican Hell Creator worldwide, and destroyed humanity with fatal negligence, and enforced human brain nerves damages worldwide for fellow mankind, and medical finance compensation must be provided now. And United States of America got all the curses of the crimes of Vatican. Okay, and civil justice must be served, and served now without any delay, and I will provide all the civil justice to entire human kingdom. Okay, so I would provide this video in parts. So why can't I would say for a reason education, why can't this initial education be a part A of the of this testimony. Then I will continue with this part 2 of providing the civil justice. That way we all can be in the same page, and the video is also not too long, and so it's all for healthy process. So I will stop here, and I will still continue with the another part of the this video, and that will be part 2, where I will be providing only civil justice. Okay, so talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye now.